It's Diana and Luis once again. So today is Sunday and we decided to come to El Malpais monument. We are here. We are at the Calderon area, which we will be bike riding through this area. It's a 2.1 mile around, and then we will take you caving with us. If you guys don't know what caving is, well, of course, you're going inside a cave, and it is free here at this area. Make sure you have the proper gear with you. There's 3 caves in the area, and I will take you along with me. Hey, handsome.
Hey. We're going to zip tie the camera to your bike.
All right.
We got a military grade flashlight on this camera, so when we go in the cave, you'll be able to see some cool stuff. So hopefully that flashlight works very well.
So here to my right is the junction cave. I'll just go in there before I keep going on. Alright, so as you can see, there's a cave. I'm pointing the camera down a little bit. We will be going in there shortly. So here you go. Here to the right of me are the different places that we can go. Junction Cave, Bat Cave, El Calderon Loop Trail. So we're going to do that one. It's 3 miles. Let's go. Bon voyage. Whoa. All right. To my right and left, there are 2 sinkholes. Can you guys see, guys? All right, we're gonna keep going. Yeah. Yes. Yes. I love you.
So here is the Bat Cave, guys. Hopefully this evening we can see them coming up.
I think that they leave in October.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So they're not here anymore?
I don't think so.
Oh, they've migrated to bigger and better places, warmer places.
So basically, there's the Bat Cave there, right in front of you. Typically, in the months of summer, about 35 to 40,000 bats come out at night to eat. The ranger told us that the bats eat about 700 pounds of mosquitoes each night.
Wow.
And to the left here,
I don't know about you, but I'm glad that they're eating all those mosquitoes.
right?
And then what were you saying, baby?
That to the left, there's another cave.
And that's the cave we're going to go into.
Mm-hmm.
You got it?
Perfect. What? Give me a water bottle.
Huh?
Water bottle.
You're sure you're going to go around the whole thing?
Yeah, it's only 3 miles.
It comes back around the other way?
Yeah. Are you ready to give up?
I want to go in the cave already.
Water break. Thank you. I'm gonna give it a shot. All right, guys. Whoa. I want to fall.
Be all downhill from here. Good.
Hello guys, once again. This is Diana with Wondrous Entertainment. As you see in most of my videos, I love recording the sunset. God is good. So, El Malpais is located in New Mexico. You can come caving, hiking, camping in this area. But most importantly, it's free. It's all on BLM land. So these are the different types of animals you will encounter. So the first cave...
There's rattlesnakes here?
Yes. The first cave we will be going to is called Junction Cave, and it's a lava tube created by lava flows about 115,000 years ago. It's one of the oldest monuments here. Also, the caving permits are free in this area. Alright guys, the first cave we went to was closed unfortunately for the season. So now we are hiking to another cave. But first, I have to show you the sinkholes again. Earlier I was on my bike and you guys couldn't get a clear view, but now you can.
Got it on the phone. We'll be getting another view from the phone too.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. All right, guys. So I'm gonna jump in, and then
Go ahead.
it's gonna be really cool when I do.
Go ahead.
Geronimo!
Call 911. Alright guys, so we finally arrived to the second bat cave. So, like I said earlier in the video, throughout summer months there's about 35 to 40,000 bats. But as you can see, there are none today.
Because it is winter. Or fall.
It's fall. So, here's the name of the cave. Xenolith Cave. I probably slaughtered that, but I gave it a shot. It's 625 feet in length and 114 feet in depth. Alright guys, let's go in. As you can see, my boyfriend's over there.
This is my favorite part of the cave. It almost looks like it's man-made in here. Look how it perfectly curves here. Beautiful. So this is where lava used to flow through. That's why you see these drips right there. This used to be lava coming down. That's pretty cool. But like I said, it goes through here and around. It almost looks man-made. And then it goes out to here. There's a large area here. This is a cool area here. I don't know if you could see that. And then here, that looks pretty cool up there. There's a cavity up here on the ceiling of this thing, on the roof. Or not roof, but the ceiling here. So I wonder what used to come down through there. Pretty cool. This is like a tunnel Just keeps going straight for a while. You can run in here if you wanted to. But then it starts getting kind of low here, and you gotta duck a little bit. So that's why they recommend hard hats in here. You can hit your head pretty bad. For example, right there. If you're not careful, you can bang your head pretty bad right there. The ground here is pretty smooth, actually. Might not look smooth right now, but compared to everything else, that is smooth. And we are 114 feet below the ground. All right, so we're back to the ladder here. And here's the ladder. Let's go ahead and climb up of it. You good over there? Yeah. All right. Let's climb. It's a very tight fit here. I have a backpack on, so I think the backpack's gonna hit on here. Oh, the backpack is hitting. Oh my God. I could barely squeeze through here.
You can do it.
All right, we made it to the top. There's the bottom right there. She's coming up the ladder now. It's pretty cool that all this was made by lava. I don't know how many years ago. Do you know that, baby? How many years?
115,000.
115,000 years ago. There used to be lava flowing through here. All right. She's coming up the ladder now.
Go.
You good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
Go.
She can handle herself pretty well. Better than any other woman I've seen. We're going to keep going. There's a pretty big area here again. Whoa, careful. If you notice, there's a bunch of loose rocks everywhere. You got to watch your step. Wow. It keeps going all the way over there. And if you notice those white lights, those white reflectors, means that that's the way out. So we're heading out right now.
And then the red ones mean what?
The red means you're going the other way. So if you look at it from the other side, it's red. Although some people like to change them around, which is not cool. You can get somebody lost if you change them around. Let's keep going.
It's that blue string.
Huh?
For you, landmark up
Blue?
there.
Where?
Blue string.
Oh, I don't know. Could be a landmark. Huh. It's got a 22. What does it say? Z23?
Yeah. Maybe scientists placed it there.
More than likely. Whoa. Gotta be careful in here. There's the white lights, so we gotta go this way. All right, this is a cool area here too. It goes this way. It's a large tunnel in here. Very large tunnel. So caving is pretty fun, guys. Brings out that inner adventurous child side of yours that we all have inside. Right, baby?
Mm-hmm.
The large area here.
So if you guys know of any caves you would like us to check out,
Wow.
leave a comment below.
The exit looks really cool from here. Wow. So because in here it's pitch dark, we don't know how dark it is out there. You can come here at midnight and you don't know. As you can see, it's already getting dark out there.
And there it is. That's beautiful. So in times like this, guys, I like to take a moment and just thank God that I'm alive for this moment in time. So take a deep breath and thank God you're still here no matter what you're going through. Push through. It'll be okay. I can't get over how cool that looks.